Good evening. I'm Anita, Assistant Professor of in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Now we are discussing about a case study on pandas in Python for data analysis. What is mean by pandas? Pandas are the most popular Python library that is used for data analysis. It provides highly optimized performance which backend source code purely written in C or Python. Python has a powerful and most powerful package pandas, but on top of NumPy, which has the implementations of many data objects and data operations. Pandas is one of the most famous data science tools, and it's definitely a game changer for cleaning, manipulating, and analysis data. We can analyze data in pandas with two ways. One is panda series and pandas data frames. Next, coming to panda series. Series in pandas is one-dimensional array defined in pandas that can be used to store a data type. What are the data types? That is scalar value, Python dictionary, ND array. Scalar value which can be integer value strings, Python dictionary which can be key value pairs. And then pandas data frames is pandas in two-dimensional data structure defined in pandas which consists of two rows and columns. Data can be one or more dictionaries or one or more series or 2D NumPy ND array. Next, coming to why we are using pandas. Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusion based on statistical theories. Pandas can clean messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. Relevant data is very important in data sciences. What can pandas do? Pandas give you answer about the data. Is there are correlations between two or more columns? What is average values, maximum values, minimum values? Pandas are also able to delete rows that are not relevant or contains wrong values like empty or null values. This is called cleaning the data. Next, coming to the case study, our students will discuss about the case study on pandas which are using in data analysis. Let's see the video.
Pandas is an open source Python library. It is flexible and easy to use. Data analyzing and manipulating tools built on Python. As mentioned, Pandas is built on top of NumPy, which is a Python library used for scientific computing and data analyzing. NumPy helps developers to extract valuable insights about different data sets. Apart from this, it is also ideal for data manipulation in Excel, spreadsheets, and SQL table. Data analysis with pandas. The Panda library offers backend source code that is written in Python or C. There are two types of data frames in pandas: series and data frames. Series is an array defined in pandas that is used to store any data. It is in a one-way array or a single column of matrix with specific index values attached to each row. A series is a set of data values that are attached to a particular table. There are unique index values are automatically defined when creating a series. Panda data frames. Panda's data frame is a 2D data structure defined in pandas that consists of rows and columns. The next important structure in pandas is a multiple dimensional table in any Excel sheet and is made up of a group of series. This streamlined tabulary data where every row obscurity and very common resources.
The key features of Python pandas. With pandas module up and running, you can import the data into database or series and use pandas extensive functionality to manipulate and analyze the data. Key features and functions of pandas include data cleaning. Pandas offers various functions for cleaning and transforming the data, such as filling in missing values, blocking columns or rows, deleting null values, and renaming columns. Data filtering and extraction. Pandas allow for a range of fine filtering and extraction functions based on highly granular conditions. So no matter how complex the data is, we can extract the exact information we want. Data aggregation. With pandas, you can perform aggregation operations like group by, pivot, and merge to summarize and restructure your data. Data visualization. Pandas integrate with the popular data visualization library like Matplotlib, allowing you to create various types of plots and charts from the data.
Applications of pandas. Data cleaning. Pandas provide various functions to handle missing data, remove duplicate data, and fix data formatting. Data exploration. Pandas allow users to explore and visualize data using various functions and methods.
powerful data manipulation capabilities such as reshaping, merging, and joining data. Data analysis. Pandas provide various statistical functions and methods for data analysis such as correlation, regression, and hypothesis testing. Time series analysis. Pandas provide specialized data structures and functions for working with time series data. Machine learning. Pandas often uses data pre-processing for machine learning algorithms. Advantages of Pandas. Data representation. Pandas provide the data frame object and two-dimensional tabular data structure that allow for easy manipulation and analysis of data. Less tight and more work done. Pandas offers some coefficients and expensive syntax allowing you to achieve more with less code. Efficiently handle large data. Despite some performance limits, Pandas is designed to handle large data sets efficiently. Flexibility and customization of data. Pandas provides flexible tools for reshaping, merging, and providing data, enabling you to customize your data according to your specific context requirements. Built for Python. Pandas is built especially for Python, which means it integrates seamlessly with the Python core system. Drawbacks of Python. Memory consumption. Pandas can be more memory intensive, especially when working with large data sets. Performance limitation. While Pandas provides efficient data processing capabilities, certain outputs can be slower compared to low-level libraries like NumPy. Stepper learning curve. Pandas has a rich set of functionalities which can make it challenge for beginners to grasp and fully utilize its functions. Dependency on external libraries. While Pandas itself is a powerful library, it relies on other libraries like NumPy for efficient data manipulation. Lack of support for real-time data. Pandas is primarily designed for working with statistics, structured databases.